Steps for setting up the background of the vending machine. Put pictures and videos into the U-disk beforehand. Then open the machine setting door and press the setting button. Press Set Password. Press Parameter Setting. Set language, payment, product quantity, etc. Click Picture Settings. Choose your own picture and video to copy, paste and save. Set multiple cargo lane information. Set product name. Set the selling price of the product. Set game price. Set up product inventory. Click on Hardware Settings. Set up cargo lane program. Click to log out. Back to the Purchase a Product page.